guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you'll be watching this video. It's actually morning right now, and guys, guess what? Baby girl is done with her exams. Yay! So I'm super excited and I'm grateful to God. Like, after almost a year of staying at home for the strike and then resuming back to do exam that has been long, I did exam. But anyways, I give thanks to God. The exam went well, and hopefully by God's grace the result is going to come out success, good grades, you know what I mean. Anyways, guys, so I'm actually done with first semester, like so I'm finally going to my final semester for my study in this school. And oh my days, like, I'm reflecting. Like, I remember when I entered the school, or if not for the COVID-19 and the strike, I actually should have finished last year. Yeah, but anyways, everything, we give thanks to God in all things. So you guys can see that paper on that wardrobe. Yes, I'm going to go and remove it because that's first semester timetable, lecture timetable, and the exam. Now that I'm done, I'll remove it and I'll wait for second semester to commence. And guys, I'm happy that we are done with our exam, but there's no break. Like, there's no break now that we are done. I have a seminar presentation, and then I have a practical. One particular course, we didn't do the practical during the time that we're receiving lectures, so we're doing the practical now. And also my projects, and like, I have a whole lot of things to be doing. Thinking that you're done with your exam, you rest and flex. There's no resting for us, so there's no resting. So right now it's morning. Like I said, it's actually past 10 already. It rained heavily last night. Like, it rained heavily, so the weather is really cool, and I've been sleeping. Like, yes, I mean, I actually needed this sleep, because why not? I just finished exam, and you know what I mean, I've not been sleeping very well. So yeah, so what I want to do now is wash my clothes, and then I bought some stuff for myself. I want to make soup and stew. So, but you guys are going to be seeing all of that, but right now my hair is also due for losing, so I'm going to take it down today. I'm going out by 2 p.m. I just hope I'll be able to catch up, like, finish everything that I have to do before 2 p.m. because I can be very, I'm not going to say slow, but then I just take my time to do things. So yeah, guys, look at this hair. People will be wondering how this twist will last without losing. I don't know, my twist doesn't lose, because I used to use hair mousse to hold it, because I've been getting a lot of questions on my YouTube comment section and also TikTok as well. You guys don't know I'm on TikTok. I don't know, I don't even advertise myself on TikTok, on Instagram. So you guys should check out my TikTok account and also my Instagram account. The same name, I use the same name for all my social media. I'm also on Facebook too, if you want to follow me, Alice Onu. That's what I use for all my social media accounts. Just, I think, for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So you can check it out and follow me. So yeah, let's dive into today's business. I don't want to talk too much, but I actually needed to talk because it's been long. Like, the last vlog I uploaded, I have actually done that vlog since early this month, I think around 2nd of May, and since then I've not done any vlog, talking like this. All my videos have been voiceover. So yeah, let us dive into today's business. Guys, I'm done with washing of my clothes, and now I'm at the kitchen. It's time to, let me show you guys what I want to do. So guys, I'm just going to wash this plate, and then these are the stuff I bought: pomo and fish, then the leaf I'm going to be using, and this is my pepper and tomatoes. So I bought new indomie, egg, golden more, and milo. So yeah, let us do this work. It's already 11 past 11, so let me see if I can finish this before 12 p.m. hopefully. So guys, I'm done making the soup, vegetable soup, but I'm here to do the stew, and my neighbor's generator has been on since morning, and this is already 12:44. Hey, and I'm going out by 2, so I don't know how I'm going to do it. So I'm thinking of going to go and charge it now. Hopefully, if it's not about to off the generator, so I'll go and charge my phone while I make the stew and then prepare myself. I doubt if I'll be able to still lose my hair before I go to where I'm going to. But whichever one, you guys are definitely going to know. Hello guys, I'm back. You guys, you will not believe what happened. So I went to charge my phone and I came back inside. Remember I said 12:44, almost 1 p.m. and I was meant to go out around 2 p.m. So I went to charge my phone and then I ate and I took a nap. That nap turned to sleep. So I woke up and I went to collect my phone. It was already past 3. So I couldn't go to where I was going to. So yeah, I could not go. So now I'm going to take down my braids. I'm going to take down this twist, and I've done a lot of takedown on my channel. This is actually a vlog, but then I'm not going to be doing a detailed takedown because like this thing is so much and I don't know how long it's even going to take me to take it down. So tomorrow is Sunday and I'm going to wash this hair this night, and I'm going to be doing a protein treatment because it's already 2 months. Last time I did it is, I think that was it March? Yeah, because I changed my routine. Before I usually do my protein treatment once every month, but now I change it to be once in 2 months. So I just want to see how it's going to be, and yeah. You guys might be wondering, I don't lose my hair when it is dry. I already moisturized it last night and I can still feel some moisture, although if I notice any place that is dry, I'll definitely apply my leave-in while I'm taking this hair down. So you all look at my hair. If you're not watching my hair videos, you're missing. You're missing big time. You're mixing big time. And guys, baby girl has plans, so I have plans, a lot of plans, but that will be said in a detailed video where I'll be talking basically about the plan for my hair growth business. So let me just keep it. It's not yet time. And then there's a good news that I have for you guys very soon. Like I have a lot of good news for you guys, but let me just wait. I'm taking my time. Definitely going to announce it at the right time. Alright, I'll have to go now. Let me go and complete this thing, because taking down this hair it's gonna take like, considering I'm taking it down, it's gonna take like 2 hours to take this thing down. It's gonna take 2 hours to take this hair down. See here now. Hey, you try them. Okay guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I successfully satisfied my cravings. I ate semo with the F4 that I made, and I added a little bit of the stew that I also made. And this is the next day, Sunday. After service, I just chilled outside because I flew to my room and I just decided to chill outside. So this is me, showing you guys my beautiful face. I mean, because why not? So guys, this is actually Monday morning and I decided to do this my mask. Guys, I've been using this mask a lot. If you guys have been watching my video, you know that I use turmeric a lot, but this time around I started adding gelatin to make it form a mask, like to make it dry, and then I'll peel it off like a mask. And it has really been super nice, super nice. There was one face mask that I wanted to try out with carrot, Irish potato, and the gelatin, but baby girl ate the Irish potato and the carrot. So I decided to do this one, and then I watched a lady, Blessing Asemota. I just hope that's the name. I cannot remember the, but I shall know that I watched the video from her. She added gelatin into this particular mask. So I've been doing the turmeric and honey, blah blah blah, but then I don't add gelatin. So I saw that she added the gelatin, and then I'm like, okay, let me give it a try, since I ate the Irish potato that I was supposed to do as a mask. So anyway, this is me waiting for it to get dry. I also added it to my armpit, and yeah, this is it. It was already dried, and I decided to peel it off. So yeah. And guys, if you've not tried this mask, give it a try. It has been working a lot for my face. Hey guys, so I don't know, this video is actually all over the place, and I went out after doing my face mask. I went out to see somebody, and then I'm back. It's quite late now, and I actually want this vlog to end right now. So I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and also drop a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. For now, bye bye.